Drinking water isn't one size fits all. Your water filter shouldn't be either. That's why Hydroviv water filtration systems are optimized for your city's water quality data. Today, we will go through the steps to install your brand new under-sink water filter. The required tool to install the system is an adjustable wrench. But if you'd like to mount the system on the cabinet wall, a drill will make the job easier. The first thing we want to do is give the top part of the housing a firm clockwise twist, like you're tightening the lid on a jar. Keep in mind, it is common for the decals to be right of center after the housing is fully tightened. Next, identify the cold water shutoff valve by turning on your faucet's cold water. The shutoff that makes the water stop is the cold water shutoff. The water should remain turned off throughout installation. Slide the plastic ring on the included plastic tube so that it's a 1/2 inch from the brass reinforced end. Push this end into the cold water shutoff valve. While securing the valve with your hand, tighten the nut as tight as you can get it with your fingers, plus an additional 270 to 360 degree rotation with an adjustable wrench. It is important to ensure that this is securely connected because water damage can occur in the event of a leak or disconnection. Then, firmly insert the plastic tube into the white fitting until the tube bottoms out. And to be safe, give the plastic tube a nice tug to set the connection. The faucet's cold water line to the brass fitting on the filter housing. Tighten the nut as tight as you can get it with your fingers, plus add an additional 180 to 270 degree rotation with an adjustable wrench. Next, place the housing in a location where the plastic tube can reach without crimping. A good place is often on the cabinet sidewall closest to the cold water shutoff valve. Restore the cold water flow by turning the cold water valve counter-clockwise. When the water is turned on the first time, it's normal to hear a whooshing noise. Allow the system to flush for 3 minutes to properly flush the cartridge. For the first day or so, the water may appear cloudy as tiny air bubbles are pushed out of the cartridge. But don't worry, the water is perfectly safe to drink.